Hello my friends, this is Ginny. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to another unboxing for Mindful Souls. I have done several of these unboxings for them. I do have a playlist. I will link it down below. This is one of my favorite monthly subscription boxes. If you're not familiar with it, it is a subscription box that is more geared towards holistic and spiritual well-being. It can include things like crystals, aromatherapy, and just so much more. I have been doing unboxings for them, I would say pretty regularly now. I think this is my third one this year, and previously I did have a paid subscription to this box, and I stopped only because I wanted to try other subscription boxes at that time. I know this particular box also includes a free gift. I got to choose another free gift. You'll just see what it is when we open this together. I did unseal the box, but other than that, I have not cheated or taken a sneak peek, so I'm not really sure what's in this particular box, but I am very much looking forward to finding out. At the top of the box, we have our affirmation card. What I have been doing with these cards is just gluing them into my journal. They're really pretty, positive messages, and just something fun to do in my journals. So that's what I do with them. This is I'm trying not to look too closely at it, but this is a description of the items that are in the box. This looks like a bag. It is a tote. How cute. Mindful Souls. This is what that looks like. So pretty. I am manifesting positivity and love. Absolutely. It's a perfect size, not too big, not too small. Nice little tote to carry around. And here are our items. Now, a green bag is new to me. This is familiar. In the past, when I've opened or shared unboxings, this is what the packaging looks like. So I wonder if the green has some significance, or if it's just they're just introducing green little bags to their box. How cute. So let's start with what's not in a bag. Let's start with the box. This is essential oil, patchouli essential oil, soothing, boosts energy, and promotes harmony. I want to know what it smells like. You give me an essential oil, I want to know what it smells like. So here's the packaging. Let's break the seal. I'm going to smell the cap because I don't want to shove the bottle under my nose. That might be a bit much. It's a very earthy scent. Here's a little stopper. You put this at, I'll show you how this works. So there is a cap. Here is the cap. We'll throw that away. Replace it with this. And this will just make it easier to use. Also going to take off this extra little collar at the bottom, and I will add this to my shelf of oils. So that's a good one. Yeah, definitely very earthy. I don't think I have anything patchouli. Is that how you pronounce it? Patchouli? I think so. I don't think I need this box, so we're going to toss the box. We'll keep this. That's just something fun to add into my glue book Stickers. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, I love that this one is a black and white. You can color this in. Again, that is perfect for my glue book. I am going to start with the green bag because it's just catching my eye, and let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Friends, look at this. This is stunning. It is a necklace. The colors are gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Let's look this up and see what it is. Okay, so here it is. I'm trying to cover everything else. It is an Indian agate beads jewelry. Intention, clarity, and calmness. Element earth, chakra, sacral, or sacral, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Grounding and stabilizing properties. Can help you break free from irrational fears, stressful thoughts, and worries about the future. How to use it. Put it on for those situations that make your heart race, but that you need to keep your cool, like big work meetings or special events. I can live in this. Considering what I do for a living, high stress is just my everyday work mode. And this is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. So we have that. Green bag for the win. Should we do another green bag? Let's do another green bag. So typical. If it's new, I'm instantly drawn to it. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Do believe this is tiger's eye. Let's see. Tiger's eye stone. Intentions, courage, and confidence. Element, earth and fire. Chakra, solar plexus. Before going to bed, hold your tiger's eye and reflect on the events of the day. Consciously let go of any negative thoughts, releasing them into the stone. It's a beautiful stone. It's heavy. Excellent piece. Let's see what's next. This, whatever is in here on the outside, feels really rough. Like, definitely not smooth. Not sure what this is. Is this malachite? This might be malachite. This is a very raw piece of malachite. Honestly, does not feel nice in the hands. Okay, let's just confirm that it is malachite. It is malachite. Gotta say, not a fan of the raw malachite. I am more drawn to the smooth finished. So let's learn a little bit about this raw malachite. Reads that the intentions are transformation and growth. The element is fire and the chakra is heart. We all struggle with letting go at times, and that's where malachite comes in. This crystal can provide both the tough love and support you need to shake off old habits, wounds, and beliefs. How to use it? Put it in the area of your home connected to the side of your life that feels stagnant. Transformation can be tough, but a better tomorrow awaits on the other side. So that is the raw malachite. Not my favorite, but I can appreciate it nonetheless. Now let's see. I am assuming the free gift is in one of these, or maybe two. I should just stop feeling these bags and open them. Here is one of the free gifts that I selected. I selected Larimar necklace and earring set as a free gift. Here are the earrings. And it is silver. It's actually an expensive little set, relatively speaking, compared to everything else. So the fact that I get to have a second set is just amazing. Here are the earrings. The necklace must be in one of these. Judging from the feel of the pouch, I suspect it's here. So let's go ahead and open. Yep, let's go ahead and open the necklace so that you can get a better appreciation for it. It is truly a stunning, stunning piece. Here is the necklace. Beautiful piece. I can still smell that patchouli. I wonder if patchouli is the name of the oil or the name of the company. I'll have to look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So thank you so very much to the people at Mindful Souls for gifting me such a gorgeous, gorgeous set. That leaves this one remaining pouch, I believe. Let's make sure. Yes, it does. Let's go ahead and open this one. What are you? Kind of has, this is so pretty. I know exactly where I'm going to hang this. It kind of has like a macrame vibe to it, doesn't it? And it is amethyst. Immediately recognizable. It's one of my favorites. I think I'm just drawn to the purple. The whole purple. Love it. So this is an amethyst macrame wall piece. The intentions are change in motivation. The element is air. The chakra is crown and third eye. Let it work as a mindful reminder of your goals by placing it in the living area associated with the habit you wish to change. This will help if you're looking to break a bad habit. Amethyst is the stone for you. Overcome. That was a crazy accent right there, wasn't it? Overcome toxic behaviors and make room for a fresh routine and mindset with this inspiring decor piece. I will tell you that I have been really mindful, especially mindful lately, of some habits that I've noticed. New habits for me, new habits that I'm not particularly fond of and that I am trying to change. So this is perfect, and I know exactly where to put it. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Love the neutral color. And that is the entire share, my friends. Hello, friends. Popping in once more because I neglected to mention a couple of things. Number one, Mindful is having a sale right now. It is a Halloween sale. The code is pumpkin, and that gives you 35% off your first subscription box. Number two, if you're interested in Mindful Souls, so if you just want to learn a little bit more about them, use my affiliate link down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does give them the opportunity to know that, one, people from my channel are visiting, and two, also if anyone from my channel does make a purchase from them, I do get a little commission. Doesn't affect the price of your box. It's just how I support my channel. So be sure to use my affiliate link down below. That is all, my friends. Thank you so, so much for watching. I truly, truly do appreciate you. And I will see you all in my next video. Until next time. Bye-bye.